Let me in. Let me in.
Shot, dude.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. Try to be careful where you leave your bikes and scooters. If it wasn't for this camera, I'm pretty sure he would have taken it. He knocks on the door and asks a bold question. Can he take the bike to sell it?
Everybody do this music like that. The they do is go sell it.
But no, it's my daughter's bike, man. Yeah.
Okay, so you know some of the people have bikes, but I only have four more in the bag. So I'd rather ask them to grab it.
Yeah, no, that's cool, man. No, it's my daughter's bike, man. No, you're good.
Yes, sir. See you guys again.
All right.
Who are you? What do you want? Hey, what do you want? Do you want to get shot?
Oh, sure. Oh, yes, sir.
Get the fuck out of here. You're about to get shot, dude.
In my opinion, the best way to avoid thieves is to not show them what you have. Look at all this stuff that's on display. Pretty sure those bikes are almost $1,000 each, especially if they're gas. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. This guy comes onto this porch saying that he found two dogs and he's wondering if they're for this house.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yeah, sure. Don't know if you have dogs, two huskies, but I found them and they're kind of hanging out in the driveway. So if my two dogs got lost, I want someone to know. So sorry for disturbing you this late at night.
With the holiday seasons approaching, make sure you get your packages as early as possible. I know there's going to be a big influx of packages being delivered. And also consider your other options: PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
Yo, yo.
What you see?
Man, you can get the fuck around.
We may have to just go back to folding chairs. These fancy chairs are attracting the wrong people to your porch. Fold them up and just take them back inside.
Hello. Sorry to disturb you.
Let me in. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Come. Yeah, let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in.
Check Granny out. She's much stronger than we think. She's about to carry this all the way back to her house. Somebody needs to buy their grandmother a folding table. Don't know what these two really got going on. Looks like they're a little out of it, or they're trying to get into it. Who knows? Let me know what you guys think about this lady's wig. She's getting it prepared for somebody. Please make sure you keep those doors locked or stay prepared. You never know these people's intentions.
Hanky.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to keep those doors locked. I'll see you in the next one.
I was here to see the apartment. Someone, the real estate agent told me to come here.
So Gail said you're not coming today.
When did she say that?
I texted her about 10 minutes ago.
I don't know why she said that.
She'd be happy to let you in.
So, no problem.
Yeah, it's all right. Just text Gail. Let's see, I'll text her now as well.
I'm texting her right now. I just texted her while I was walking in. I said I'd be there in a minute, so I don't know.
Just wait 1 moment.
Yeah, sure. Hey, Gail, I'm outside the apartment right now. He said that you texted him that I wasn't coming.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.